The murder charges involving two men accused of killing a Jefferson County Sheriff's deputy were dropped.
WDRB's Darby Bean tells us about an alibi we just learned about in this 2021 case and why case dismissed may not be the end of the story.
The case was dismissed without prejudice. The Commonwealth's attorney's office says that does not mean the end for this case, and it could be refiled later.
Aim, fire.
August 2021. More than 1,000 people in Louisville came together to honor the life of 26-year-old Brandon Shirley. Just a few years into the job as a Jefferson County Sheriff's deputy, he was shot and killed while working off-duty security in the middle of the night at Rockford Lane Auto Sales.
A couple of potential suspects.
Months later, LMPD announced two men, Jesse Johnson and Marquis Mitchell, were charged in Shirley's murder. Both held on a $500,000 full cash bond. But now, 3 years after their arrests, the case is dismissed. First Assistant Commonwealth's Attorney Elizabeth Jones Brown filed a motion to dismiss charges against them, saying in part that issues have arisen that deserve further consideration and, in some instances, further investigation. Deputy Shirley's family, through attorney Sam Aguiar, released a statement calling for a renewed and thorough investigation, saying the family is heartbroken and deeply frustrated following the dismissal of charges. Commonwealth's Attorney's Office spokesperson Aaron Huber said ultimately decisions for any criminal case must be made in accordance with the amount of evidence available, going on to say, quote, "There are additional factors and information that have come to light as this case has proceeded." LMPD says the case remains open and active and encourages tips with information. Shirley's family says they will not stop until his killers are held accountable. Johnson's attorney says he has an alibi and didn't do this. She says he was on Facebook Messenger and then a Facebook phone call at the time of the killing. Mitchell's attorney says he believes in his client's innocence. Huber said the decision to dismiss the case without prejudice was difficult but necessary, and that the office will work toward justice in this case. The Shirley family is adding an extra $10,000 onto an already existing $75,000 reward for information that leads to the conviction of whoever is responsible. Reporting in downtown Louisville, Darby Bean, WDRB News.